Hello everyone. So today we're going to unbox and review this Temu order. This is going to be my watch of the day. So this came from Temu, took 10 days, quite quickly this time. Right, it is automatic movement, all stainless steel. There is this acceptable strap. It is indeed beautiful. It does remind me a watch I've seen before, but I don't remember the brand. Obviously they probably copy someone, but you know what, I don't really care. I'm not sure if all of this works. Let's see. Hour hand, a minute hand does align. There is this moon thing. Here we go. So this would be midnight. They claim it's 21 Jews. I doubt. I truly doubt. The movement is probably really cheap one. Aokulasic, that's the name. And it does work as it should so far. 8:55. I like it. It is cool, it is nice. Again, they probably copy some known brand. So if you know which watch they copy, I would like to see it. Let me know which watch is it. I paid for this £20. Even a cheap movement from China, you're gonna pay probably £15–20. Even the cheapest automatic movement. For the whole watch, fine by me.